Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this error, the Rockstar Games SDK failed to load due to an incomplete installation with error code 4, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on GTA 5 easily. So first off, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here allow an app through Windows Firewall, click on change settings then, click allow another app, click browse and now go to your GTA 5's directory. Add the GTA 5 enhanced exe into this list. Click add then. And now make sure to tick both of these checkboxes here. After that, click OK here. And then you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write view network connections now. Right click on your network connection. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. Go into Internet Protocol version 4. Click properties here. Click use the following DNS server addresses. Write in the preferred DNS 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1 and then click OK here and then click OK again. Close this up. Now open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. Right click on GTA 5, click properties, install files, click verify and tag it to your game files here. Once you do that, it's going to verify your game's files, and now you can go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.